Hi, welcome back to my program, The Industrial Sectors of India. My channel name is Ramesh RS. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. The Industrial Sector of India. Today I am telling the story or famous stories about the BPL, old TV, CRT TV of India, British Physical Laboratory. That was its full name. It was started in 1963 by TPG Nambiar. When starting time, normal every company, it was a successful company by its marketing and its cost effect or price effective price, consumer friendly price. It became popular in the market, and that was a good quality product in the market. Going to the BPL details. BPL or British Physical Laboratories was a prominent Indian electronics company known for its televisions and other consumer durables. Founded in 1963 by TPG Nambiar, it became a popular brand in Indian homes during the 1980s and 1990s, especially for TVs, refrigerators, and washing machines. While initially successful, BPL faced challenges from increased competition and internal issues, leading to a deterioration in the market share. BPL's history. Early years, BPL started by manufacturing medical equipment like electrocardiograph, ECG machines, and its accessories, medical components. It was started with medical components, ECG machines, etc. Electrocardiograph machines and panel matters. Expansion into consumer electronics. The company expanded into consumer electronics including color televisions, cassette recorders, refrigerators, and washing machines in the 1970s and 1980s. Dominance in the 1990s. BPL became a major player in the Indian consumer durables market, particularly with its televisions. I am remembering at my home the first color television was BPL, and later shifted to the Oneida television. First color television was BPL. Refrigerators, which were known for their quality and affordability. Washing machines also they produced. partnership with Sanyo. BPL collaborated with Japan Sanyo Electronic Company to enhance its technological capabilities. Decline. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, BPL faced increased competition from South Korean brands like Samsung and LG. Internal challenges. By the advent of or introduction of Samsung and LG's, the Shenidasha or Kandagashini of or bad days of BPL started from there. Internal challenges. Internal issues including family disputes and financial mismanagement also contributed to BPL's decline. These factors lead to the decline. Family issues, financial management, everything like company's family. Current, while BPL's market share has decreased, the company is still involved in the health sector. They are still in the health sector, health care and its products, and other sectors. Reliance occupied has acquired the manufacturing market rights from BPL and Kelvinator products. Later, these products take up by the Reliance marketing products, Reliance Retail. They acquired its rights from the manufacturing rights from BPL. This is the history of BPL in India, their growth and decline. Please watch my video about BPL from my program Industrial Sectors of India or Industrial Products of India. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share my channel to everybody, like my channel, encourage new ones to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.